earthquake is caused by a sudden slip on a fault. Earthquake is an intense shaking of Earth's surface. There are 4 types of earthquake. These are tectonic, volcanic, explosion, and collapse. Some effects of earthquakes are ground failure, surface faulting, ground shaking, and less commonly, tsunamis. Philippines lies along the Pacific Ring of Fire, which causes our country to have frequent seismic and volcanic activity. Earthquake causes deaths of many people in the Philippines in the past several decades. We have to perform some precautionary actions before, during, and after earthquake. First, know the hazards in your area. Familiarize yourself with fire extinguisher, medical kit, exit routes, and evacuational plan. Second, check your house and have it repaired if necessary. Third, store harmful chemicals and flammable materials properly. Fourth, secure heavy furniture and hanging objects. Fifth, participate in community earthquake drills. Sixth, prepare go bag containing items needed for survival. When you're inside a building, stay calm and do the duck, cover, and hold. Duck under a strong table and hold on to it. Stay alert for potential threats. Stay away from glass windows and heavy objects. After shaking, exit the building and go to evacuation area. When you're on the outside, move to an open area. Stay away from buildings, trees, electrical posts, and landslide-prone areas. If you're on a moving car, stop and go out. First, assess yourself and others for injuries. Second, prioritize your older persons, especially your family, pregnant women, and children. Third, if you're living near in a coastal area, evacuate to a higher ground. Fourth, check toxic and flammable chemicals. Fifth, stay out of the building until advised that it is safe to return. Sixth, check for damage in water, electrical lines, and gas or LPG leaks. Prepare, take care, be aware.